so what did we just look at? We looked at functions and relationships, maths in practice. Okay, what happened? Something was put in, there was a process that happened, and we had something else that came out. So if you look at the video, it's first a piece of dough, then the machine folds it because the machine knows exactly what it has to do. It does exactly the same with every single one of them, and they come out something different. Now that is what we're looking at today. Functions and relationships. So what exactly is a function? That middle part where the machine almost platted the dough, that is a function. So what does it look like when we look at maths? It looks like this. We have an input value, the dough that went in. Then we have a process, which is normally our formula or our rule that tells us what to do with whatever came in. And we have an output. So what do I mean by this? This is our process. This is our machine in the middle, our rule or our formula. This is our Y, our input, and this is our output. So now N, or normally also X, is what we're going to put in, and Y is what we're going to get out. So if we take -1 and we put it into the formula, 3 times -1 is -3, minus another 1 is -4, our output. This over here is called a flow diagram. We also have another way that we can show this. And this is by making use of a table. Now our machine or our middle is the table and the rule that we are given. Here we are given a rule. Y equals -1/2 x minus 2. So here we have all our x values. So wherever there's x in the formula, we're just going to replace it with this value, and we will get our y value. Okay, so let's have a look. The first x we have is a 0. So if I say -1/2 times 0, that is 0, minus 2 equals -2. Our next value is 1. -1/2 times 1 is -1/2. -1/2 minus 2 is -2.5. Okay, so a table does exactly the same. It takes an input value, puts it into a rule, and it gets an output value. And this is called a function.